Gautama Buddha and the lesson of peace. One day, Gautam Buddha was traveling through a beautiful forest with his disciples. The natural beauty of the forest filled the disciples' hearts with joy and peace. During the journey, Buddha decided to rest under a large tree. Buddha gathered his disciples and began explaining the importance of peace. He asked, "How can we attain peace?" One of the disciples answered, "Master, peace lies within our inner self." Buddha smiled at his answer and affirmed his words. Buddha began to tell a story. Once, there was a king in a village who was always restless and disturbed. He invited many sages and saints, but he couldn't find the path to peace. Finally, he decided to visit Buddha's monastery. The king went to Buddha and humbly asked, "Master, how can I find peace for my mind?" Buddha replied, "King, peace is not something to be found in external things. It resides within your inner self." The king didn't fully understand this answer, but he chose to trust Buddha's words. Buddha took the king to a stream. He showed him the calm water of the stream and said, "This water is calm because there is no disturbance in it." Similarly, your mind needs to be free from disturbance. The king pondered, "How can I remove the disturbances from my mind?" Buddha taught the king the practice of meditation. He explained that regular meditation calms the mind. The king began to meditate, and gradually, the disturbances in his mind started to disappear. The king thanked Buddha and returned to his palace. He maintained a regular meditation practice and established peace in his kingdom. His tranquility brought happiness to the people of his kingdom as well. Buddha told his disciples, the king let go of his ego and embraced the path of peace. Through meditation, one can discover the peace within their inner self. The disciples listened and took his words to heart. The disciples also decided to practice meditation. They resolved to follow Buddha's teachings to establish peace in their own lives. They understood that meditation helps to remove the disturbances from the mind and attain peace. All the disciples meditated together and experienced the peace within their inner selves. They thanked Buddha and resolved to bring peace and joy into their lives. Buddha told his disciples, "Peace resides within your inner self. There is no need to seek it in external things. Through meditation, you can discover the peace and joy within your inner self." The disciples took their master's words to heart and followed them in their lives. Conclusion. The lesson from Gautam Buddha's story is that true peace is not found in external things but within our inner selves. Meditation helps to remove the disturbances from the mind and attain peace. The king embraced the path of meditation and established peace in his life, and similarly, we can bring peace and joy into our own lives.